Do you know what? I thought right from the off, we were really at it. I think everybody, and it's great to get a back-to-back win. I think over the past couple of weeks as well, we knew it was coming. We knew certain areas of the pitch, it was clicking. And I think today it shows all over. And the biggest thing is clean sheet and back-to-back wins. We want to make sure this is a tough place to come, and I thought it was. And considering obviously the opposition, highly respected opposition in Hwlffordd, very, very good team and squad they've assembled. So to come away 3-0 winners, we're absolutely made up.
I don't want to get too ahead of ourselves as a team, but yeah, everyone's aim, I think every club in this league, is to get top 6, because it puts you in the playoffs and a chance to go into Europe. We believe in our ability in the squad. We've got a big squad, so yeah. Personally, I just want to take each game as it comes.
And I know what's in that dressing room. I know the spirit. It's got us where we have the last 3 years, and it'll get us where we want to be this season as well. I got no doubt about the boys in that dressing room. But you know, Colwyn Bae, I know they did really well last week against Cardiff Met, and our first 15 minutes we just played into their hands. They're very good at set pieces. They'd scored 5 before today, and 2 others from crosses, and we give them opportunities to put the ball in the box, and they do what they're good at. But like I said, I'll just concentrate on the second half really, and the way the boys played.
You know, we know that there's a big gap between tier 2 and tier 1, so there was always going to be that adjustment, and I think now it's starting to kind of come about and starting to click in certain areas of the pitch, like I've just said. And I thought the front men today were immense, every one of them as well, and keeping a clean sheet defensively and working hard in midfield. It's a great combination.
Third goal I'm disappointed with. I think that's a blatant foul in the build-up, but things are not going our way at the moment. You know, there's 3 games on the bounce, something hasn't gone our way, and it tends to go the other way for the other team. But you know, Colwyn Bae with a much better team first half and deserved the win.